Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see jogline option in SolidWorks 2020. Suppose I select a front plane as my sketching plane. I entered into the sketching mode, and now if I try to draw lines and suppose in this way, so in this way I have made a lines, and now I can use the jogline option on this line. So suppose I select a jogline option. Now if in your version of SolidWorks the jogline option is not available over here, you can select search in commands as a jogline, and you can drag this option from here to here, or you can do one thing. You can go over here and you can go inside the tools, and inside the tools, that is sketch tools, you can see inside the sketch tools you can see over here jogline option over here, and you can directly select this option from here. Now once I select this jogline option, you can select any one of the line and you can create a jogline on that line. Okay, so in this way we can create a jogline on these lines. So that's why this is a type of AutoCAD tool that allows us to rapidly sketch or rapidly modify the lines in the desired way. So once you done with this use of this option, you can just deselect this option, and in this way you can create a jog lines using this option, and it will reduce your sketching effort and try to generate a rapid sketch. So this is all in this video tutorial. That's all. Thank you.